A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for girl. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for orange. B is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for red. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for york. Z is for zebra. Bye-bye.